Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Secure DNS in Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Secure DNS, also known as DNS over HTTPS, helps protect your privacy while browsing the internet. It encrypts your DNS requests so that your internet service provider or other third parties cannot easily see the websites you are trying to visit. Enabling secure DNS can make your browsing more secure and private. To enable secure DNS in Opera GX, first open the Opera GX browser on your computer. After that, click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Settings in the drop-down menu. Under Opera GX Settings, click on the triple line menu and choose here System at the bottom. Under System section, you will find Use DNS over HTTPS instead of the System's DNS setting. Just turn on this one toggle. Once you enable this option, you can choose a DNS provider from the available list such as Cloudflare, Google Public DNS or another provider. If you prefer to use you can also select custom, this one option, and enter the DNS provider of your choice. After selecting your preferred provider, the secure DNS feature will start working automatically. That's it. You have successfully enabled secure DNS in Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.